Once the vehicle ignition is turned on, press the Auto button to activate the available dual-zone automatic climate control system. Initially, both temperatures will be the same. Turning the left-hand temp dial increases or decreases both preset temperatures. To set a different temperature for the passenger, turn the Pass Temp knob. The dual indicator light will go out. Pressing the dual knob turns it back on and changes the passenger's preset temperature to match the driver's again. The system can also be operated like a manual climate control system. To adjust fan speed, use the knob at the far left. Turning the Mode knob cycles through the various vent combinations available. Pressing the Windshield Defog button overrides the Recirculate button, fan speed, and vent selection to draw air from the outside and direct it at the windshield. Pressing the Rear Window Defrost button turns on the available heating elements in the rear window and heated side mirrors for a preset amount of time, depending on temperature and vehicle speed.